install 3.7.2, we added in the ability to mark the age entering for timestamp material. I'm going to briefly demonstrate how this works. So this is the standard way of doing things. You have something coming in over on the right. We mark this as timestamped. I've left age entering blank here, which indicates that it will be 0. In production, we've got an initial cycle time of 5. In testing, we have initial cycle time of 7. And then I create a cycle time variable on delivering, which will tell us how long it took to go through the production process. And if I run this, I can see that I get something for delivering that looks like this. Now I can create basically the same structure, except instead of having the flow finishing production going directly into testing, I can have it have it connect to starting testing, which is basically the equal to finishing production. So it's the same, outflow and inflow are the same, but the age entering then is the average production time, where average production time is the cycle time measured of finishing production. And then I start it with the same initial cycle time of 7, and I compute the same average turnaround time. And if I look at the results of the behavior for that, we can see it's pretty similar. In fact, if we go back, this is all in one module, we can see that the results are identical between the two things. So this allows you to go in and separate the different elements, and it might be useful to do that. These might be arrayed differently, for example, or you might have some other reason where you wanted to separate them, and you can still maintain the continuity of the cycle time through the entire system.